What's going on? This is the Scion Delaware Custom Car Expo here in Wilmington, Delaware. It's a blend of custom cars, classic cars, and exotic cars.
Hi, this is Chuck and Toddy for Viper Security. We're here at the Delaware Auto Show, showing some of the new Viper security systems that we have. One of our biggest thing that we have new this year is what's called the Viper Smart Start. This is the app right here. This allows you to start your car, lock and unlock from anywhere in the country. So stop by the booth at Sound and Tristate and check it out.
I'm into the car club thing. I like going out to the meets, seeing cool people, meeting new people. You know, I brought my car out here. I got the Scion TC High Voltage Zeus Edition. It's a 7.0 RS package.